Hey Kiket, ready for your first day of school? Aren't you forgetting something? Not peppermint candy. It's a brand new book you can use to improve your Korean. Here, let me show you. It's called Common Mistakes Korean Learners Make, and it's a collaboration project by myself and the folks at Talk to Me in Korean. And it contains 100 of the most common Korean mistakes. That includes mistakes with grammar, vocabulary, phrases, spelling, verb conjugation, and a whole lot more. And most importantly, you'll learn how to fix every one of them. Each chapter starts with a quick summary of the mistake, followed by a full, in-depth lesson about how you can correct it. And there are also plenty of example sentences for both the mistakes and especially the corrections. Of course, this book's perfect for both beginner and intermediate learner. Making mistakes is a part of learning, but that doesn't mean you have to keep making the same ones. So check it out. It's available right now through talktomeinkorean.com. And it even has audio files you can download too. Hey, where'd my book go? Oh. Good luck, Kiket, and I'm here if you need me. So get your copy now from talktomeinkorean.com. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.